Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good today. In this video, I'm going to give you the key ingredients which will help you to be an effective marketing professional regardless of whatever industry you are in. Alright, so these are the key things which a marketing professional should have, and I'm sure it's going to be of great benefit for you. So watch till the end and stay connected. In my previous videos, I have spoken about the mindset as well as the consistency, right? Now, after having a right mindset and after being consistent about what exactly you're doing, now comes the exact marketing part, right? So what does it require for you to be a good marketing professional? It's really important for you, regardless of what you're marketing, regardless of whatever industry you are in. Marketing is a very important part of business. If you are not able to market your brand, your product, or your service in an efficient way, then more likely the product is going to fail. Okay, the product doesn't fails by itself. The product fails because it is because of the inefficient marketing team or the marketing structure, what exactly it has. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, or let's say network marketing, or any kind of a marketing, digital marketing, or whatever it is, if you don't go out there in front of your clients, okay, in a manner where you are able to market it well, where you are able to present your product well, then more likely that there would be people who will always say no to you. There are so many of them who are marketing the product. They, for example, if I have to give you an example, if you see in the market, example, shampoo, there are so many brands of shampoos, right? And shampoo is a necessity which everybody uses. Now, there are people who are doing an aggressive marketing, so that's the reason it really sells well. Or is it that people love to buy, that's why they're buying? Audience always change, their necessities always change. Now, how you represent your brand in front of your audience is what exactly is really very important. The number one thing what a salesperson or a marketing person should always bear in mind is the passion and the excitement what he or she has in the product itself. If you're really not passionate about what you're doing, more likely you will fail. If you're not excited about what exactly, the way you represent your product or a brand, more likely there are people who are going to say always no to you, right? So a very important thing is a passion and the excitement. The second important thing is the way you present it. It's always said, whenever I train, I always tell people that it's not what you say, it's how you say, right? Why do I say it's how you say? It's mainly because it's really okay, it's really very important that how you present your product in front of your clients, in front of your audience, is very important. Before you present your product, you need to understand that is this product going to help the audience whom you are targeting. If it is not going to help, then people don't buy, because people buy only for two reasons, either logical or emotional. If they are buying it for a logical reason, which means they always look for what is in it for me, okay, so that's the logical reason. Now, emotional reason is something where they connect with you and then they are buying a product or a service. If they are able to connect with you well, then they, with the emotions, they also imply the logical reason, right? So it's really very important for us to have a strong rapport with our customer before we even present the product. Understand the need of the customer. If a customer is really not having, or if a client is really not having a requirement, then targeting the right audience is really very important, right? That's the second thing. The third thing which is really important for you is a thorough follow-up. In marketing, if you don't really follow up, and if you just present your product once and then leave it up to them to come back to you, then it never happens. Because if you don't sell it, there is always somebody else who will sell it, right? So it's really very important that you bear in mind when you're marketing a product or a service, these three important factors is like, one is the energy and excitement what you have in yourself, and the confidence what you show to your client. Okay, the second, a very important thing is like, do the right target, like look for the right audience who are looking for your product, and either sell it with an emotional reason or a logical reason, because people buy only with these two reasons. And the third very important thing is a thorough follow-up. If you're actually not following up with your clients, then definitely, you know, there will be somebody else who would do it and they would succeed. These are the three important factors which a salesperson or a marketing professional, regardless of what exactly you are selling, you can be a real estate salesperson, insurance, banking, telesales, you know, direct marketing executive, selling any product, service, membership, whatever it is, network marketer, affiliate marketer, all these things are the basic principles of marketing, and this is really very important for you to understand this. Okay guys, I have enclosed the best possible tips and tricks for you to be a good marketing professional. I'm sure if you utilize it wisely, you are going to reap the results. All right. If you've liked my video, do give a big thumbs up. Comment down below on what kind of videos do you want me to come up with. Do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification, so as soon as we upload a new video, you have an update. All right. And if you are a person who's looking to start the online business in the next 30 days, then I strongly recommend you to take up the One Funnel Away challenge from ClickFunnels, because I'm sure this challenge has transformed the lives of many of them, and it's going to help you as well. So you're going to get the exact framework, strategies and fundamentals which requires for you to be a very good marketing professional and a successful salesperson online, so you can start your entrepreneur's life in just 30 days. All right. And in case you need anything for your email automation, then I strongly suggest you GetResponse. GetResponse is a very famous and a very nice email automation tool. I have left the link in the description box. It is also offering a 1 month of a free trial, so you can just go ahead and sign up for your trial period. All right. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye bye.